Hey everybody, I'm Ben. Thought I'd give you a really quick update. Less than 2 months after I painted this wall, I've already got graffiti on it. I'm at 3215 North Anthony Boulevard in Fort Wayne, Indiana. It is a rainy day. Got Benson Communications in this office at 3215. We currently have Edward Jones in this office here. This office over here is the nail salon. We've got Creative Framing here. And over at this unit, 3209, I've got where we've been painting and cleaning up. I'm exhausted. I've been working here for about 4 hours. My hair's a mess, and I'm really excited to see how much we've gotten done. Everything's been painted, everything's been trimmed, cut in, I should say, all the way around except for right up above here. I moved the for rent sign. I swept the entire unit, and we are pretty much ready to go. I did not sweep the bathroom in here, so I've got to sweep that yet. But you can see there's a pretty big difference in what we've done so far. So pretty exciting. I've got to call it a day and get changed so I can get on out of here since my ride is here. So hope you have a great weekend, and I'm Ben. If you're interested in watching more about what I do, make sure to subscribe down below. Have a wonderful day.